Hi guys, here is a quick 10 minutes way of styling your hair. I start by brushing the hair and then I add the oil for my hair. I'm gonna leave the name of this oil on the description box just to bring back the shine to the hair. I make sure I rub it generously on every part of the hair, and the next thing, I take my heat protectant spray because I want to straighten this hair and I need to protect it from the heat. I spray generously on every part of the hair. I just spray generously. You have to be generous with this if you want the quality of your hair to remain the same. So I do that, and the next thing I do is to actually just straighten the hair. I was kind of in a hurry in this video. The hair was looking a mess and I just needed to have it, to give, if you know what I mean. I just needed to straighten it out, and this is me straightening out this hair. So this is like a quick few minutes hair styling you can do if you don't really have the time to take your hair to a hairstylist. And if you do have a lot of time, you could decide to not do this on your hair. Just keep it on a wig stand or something and straighten each strand of your hair. So I straightened it to this point and I felt like it was all right now, but I needed it to look more straight. So I really need to go back in with the straightener to straighten the back of the hair, the front of the hair. I really wanted it flat. Do you get? If you're doing this, you have to be careful so you don't burn yourself. You need to be quite careful actually. So I just straightened it out properly to what I needed it to be, so it could serve the purpose for today. So your heat protectant is going to protect it from the heat, and then the oil you use for your hair is just going to restore the shine of your hair, and that's it basically. So enjoy the rest of the video, which is just me just goofing around straightening my hair, and I hope you enjoy this video. And if you do want to see this kind of content from me, please let me know at the comment section so I can drop this kind of videos. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. Bye guys.